What if I told you could own a ready to move in 3 BHK flat in prime Wakad at effective price of 2 BHK? Sounds unbelievable, right? Here's the reality. A new 2 BHK in Wakad costs around 1 crore. But that's not the full story. Add 3 years of wait time, ongoing house rents and pre-EMI payments, and your price increases drastically. At Sukhmani Skylines, you can now own a 3 BHK around the same price with world-class amenities, premium specifications and much more. Let's take a look inside the best 3 BHK deal in Wakad. You can host guests, set up proper dining space and still have circulation space that makes the home feel more open and calm. This is planning made for everyday living and not just brochures. As the living area extends, you'll notice how seamlessly it connects to the outdoors. This deck-style balcony becomes part of your daily rhythm, from quiet mornings to relaxed evenings, with a space that actually invites you to step out and pause. Now let's see the kitchen. Wide counters, smart storage and layout that helps you work comfortably. The separate dry balcony keeps utilities out of sight and helps kitchen stay organized and clutter-free. For 3 BHK in Wakad, this kind of width is hard to come by. This is the master bedroom, well proportioned, easy to furnish and designed for comfort. A king-size bed, wardrobes and side tables. Everything fits without crowding. An attached bathroom that gives you privacy which actually feels premium. Now let's move to the second bedroom. Versatile enough to become a kids room, guest room or work from home space. Large windows bring sunlight and airflow so every bedroom in the home feels bright and breathable. And because it's a true 3 BHK, you get a third bedroom that's genuinely usable. Plus a third bathroom that makes big difference for families. What truly separates Sukhmani Skylines is Wakad's only dedicated amenity tower. A secure creche, a kids gym built for early development and learning spaces that support growing minds. Everything your kids need without leaving the campus. The second level is where the life slows down. Creative rooms for hobbies and comfortable suites for visitors. And then something you rarely see in residential projects, a 60-seater professional cinema theatre. Big screen, recliners and studio quality sound. From movie nights to match days, this truly changes how you spend your weekends. Third level is designed for modern lifestyle, work from home cabins, meeting rooms and multi-purpose hall for celebrations and community events. Work and life doesn't clash here, they coexist. Outside, you're surrounded by more than 40,000 square feet of podium level amenities. Sports courts, swimming pool, yoga lawn, jogging track and outdoor gym. Spaces that bring people together and make their daily life active. Kids get their own world too. Creative zones, indoor games, sports areas, and a safe space designed purely for movement, play, and discovery. It's an environment where childhood truly happens. Sukhmani Skylines offers something rare in today's market: a finished home, a complete lifestyle, and zero uncertainty. You save on GST, rent, and pre-EMIs. You move into home that's already alive. Everything is ready: the space, the amenities, the experience. Now the only question is, when do you move in?